missiles must be shorter than 465. Yeah, who knows? Hope you guys are having a good time. Go here and save Skitty Poo. He's a dumbass. Doesn't know any better. Don't hurt him! He doesn't know any better. Get that up. Vincent6537. Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Sugar's Restaurant. Alright, what age is the dude? Go pick up this guy.
Strafing is a very effective tactic during a firefight. To strafe, hold.
Oh, you just instantly die. Okay. Didn't know about the whole just straight up die thing. Okay. I don't think Crash Bandicoot ever came out with like a thing like that. Boom, baby, boom, baby. Crash Bandicoot was very fun though, but I think I need an emulator for Crash Bandicoot. Shoot him up, baby, shoot him up! Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't make another Crash. It must have been like a copyright issue or something, but Crash Bandicoot on like with high-end graphics and stuff like that, like the same way they did with this game. They made a PS3 version of Ratchet. I don't know why they didn't think about doing Crash. And Naughty Dog or whatever like that. I know they made other games too, so I don't think it's like I'm pretty sure, like, yeah, because Naughty Dog makes Uncharted. So, I don't know. I don't get it.
This is the testing laboratory for the Biobliterator.
Let's see what Nefarious has been up to.
Whoa! Like I never knew you were this kinky, Miss Gears.
Don't you ever shut up.
Okay, I'll zip it. Man, the guys aren't gonna believe this.
Like destroy all squishies, dude.
What? They turned Skid into a robot? That's impossible!
Not for Dr. Nefarious.
Don't be afraid, Ratchet. The transformation doesn't hurt. Much.
Swag, let's do it.
Besides, I think you'll enjoy being a robot.
Let's see if you can fight better than you can sing.
Yes! I don't know if I even want to fight her. I don't want to see if I can hurt her though. Fucking love this song. Sounds like some bullshit. Alright. I don't think this hurts her. Bing, 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 bing. They don't hurt like other things, so it's pretty balanced, I guess, in that regard. And when they're out of ammo, then they go suicide. Okay. Blasting me, this is my jam. Boom, boom, bada, boom, bada, boom, boom, boom. Ow. Broken. So strong. Your stuff becomes so strong. Oh god, I can't no scope. Don't say that to me, chick. Watch how strong these are, by the way. Oh no, 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 get it, oh no! Did I really just lose? Oh, hell no. I just lost that fight. I can't believe it.
You'll make a nice fur coat.
Nah, fuck that.
Ouch! That looked like it hurt.
This is how real men do it. So pro. This is how real men play this game. Brogan.
One disposable pop star.
Desert Storm?
Disposed.
You okay, Clank?
Transmission from Nix.
We've located Nefarious' star cruiser. It's refueling at the Zeldrin starport. Quark is already on his way there.
It might be a trap. I think Courtney Gears was setting us up. Even so, it could be our only chance to stop Nefarious. We'll meet Quark at the starport.
Be careful, Ratchet.
Come on, Clank. We'll come back for Skid later.
Like destroy all squishies and stuff.
There we go, premium boss fight. Desert Storm 2. I don't remember that. What was that? Was that like a shooter? That's only a level 2 disc thing, and that was a level 2 mini turret gun too. Like it gets completely broken, like so broken. Yeah, what is Skid gonna do? He's probably better there. Let's all be honest now. Let's be honest with ourselves. He's probably better there. Get the hell out of the way. Agua. Hey Struts, what's up, playa? And I didn't eat today. I have to find a I gotta eat something, dude. I'm really bad, but I'm pretty good with the 1 meal a day. I'm feeling that's like my whole thing right now. 1 meal a day. I don't really need to eat like a bunch a day. 1 meal a day is pretty good for me right now. The meal just gotta be good, you know? Alright, let's just level this up real quick.
I thought we agreed to put that jungle
Are you
business
eating
behind
those?
us. It was mating season. How could I have known she was your sister?
Oh, God.
How long have you two been standing there?
Too long.
Well, stop
That's disgusting.
lollygagging and let's get to work. We'll use this shuttle to infiltrate the Star Cruiser undetected. Once on board, we find Nefarious and finish the job. You fellas ready?
I'll do that later. I want to go this way first.
Please have your itinerary and 3 forms of ID visible at all times.
No, definitely not for a 24-hour stream. I ate way more during a 24-hour stream.
This weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2. Passengers are limited to 2 carry-on weapons.
That's why we call it the Tracinator, because of that. Oh, so broken.
Disturbance in Sector C3. All security personnel report immediately.
Casino money. You like my new gun?
Carry-on weapons that are
Pretty fair, right?
in the overhead compartment must be checked as luggage.
Oh, so Game of Thrones comes out on Sunday.
Flight 377 to Florida has been delayed due to meteor showers.
There we go. I just want to level it up really quickly to show you how broken it is. Hell, Lieutenant, thank you so much for that host, man. Another streamer. Hells, you're part of the tide pool, right? Well, even if you're not, can we get some link spammage for him as well? But I'm pretty sure you are, though. Pretty sure.
Don't forget to visit the duty-free shopping area.
It gets so broken at stage 5.
Security breach on concourse level. All units respond. Your safety is important to us.
Okay, just making sure. Because usually when I look at who's streaming in the tide pool, it's like mad late in the night. So I don't know who streams it during the day. How did you stream today? What did you stream? It's called cheating. Don't worry, guys. This is gonna be the next gun in Evolve. We're looking at balancing. Oh, by the way, I think that they're trying to introduce bans in Evolve. I don't know how I feel about that. Bans in Evolve. For the competitive scene, anyway. I was like, I don't know. I mean, it will force them to mix things up. Ooh, what is that? I want that. Oh, I want that. Very sleepy, busy weekend.
Detention center is now full. Please form a line outside while the current occupants are ejected through the airlock.
Don't know what the hell this is. It's probably the thing that makes the bolts attach to you quicker, like from a longer distance. Yeah, bolt grabber, exactly. What up, C-Man? Yeah, characters and monsters, but only as a tiebreaker. I think they're trying to introduce it as a tiebreaker.
Due to new security provisions, passengers must keep a
Like a tiebreaker thing.
Shotgun.
Hey, what are you doing?
Move over, I'll drive.
No thanks. I'd rather make it there in one piece.
Stand down, soldier. This is your captain speaking.
Captain mine. Wait, no, don't sit on the fight stick.
Ah!
Oh God.
It's too quiet. I don't like it.
Once again, my brilliant plan has caught the enemy completely unawares.
Message received.
What's that, Clank?
Nothing.
We'll have to split up and search the ship. Just remember, Nefarious is mine.
Unless we get to him first. Come on, Clank. Let's get some payback for Skid.
He's clearly like messed up or something. Well, I think it's either two hunters. I do think that they don't have enough to do that, but I also think like if they ban hunters, like I feel like me, I would just go for Hank. Oh, it is the game. Look, if you shoot two of them near each other, they actually combine and make a stronger suction. Isn't that fucking awesome? So you can suck even harder than you can before. Alright, there you go. Thank you so much for that link spam right there. Yeah, buying Gary and Hank. Crazy Killer Gamer, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Struggle Restaurant. So they like slowly go together and then they form a bigger suction. But see, at the same time, I think that, oh, there we go, level 4. Even more OP. And then we got a follow from Frog Style. Thank you so much for that follow. With our balls combined, we shall suck harder than ever. Exactly. That's kind of exactly what's happening. You just shoot two, they combine, OP. Oh, I have that thing too? Oh my god. Oh, and then you just go around doing this all day. And it breaks like everything. I love the late game of these games. They're so good. So satisfying.
Come in, gentlemen.
I'm expecting you. Tachi doesn't stream at all. Let me stop. Tachi actually does stream every once in a while. If you guys want to follow him.
You've put on a bit of weight since last we met.
Yeah? Well, Courtney Gears didn't seem to mind.
Oh, shit.
That's what makes it so good, Janice. Feel it. My heart is pounding like an anvil.
Oh, this is the best part of my day.
Bam!
I'll have the last laugh. I lured you here so I could witness your demise.
Auto-destruct sequence initiated. Prepare to die.
Prepare to die.
Lawrence, teleport us out of here.
Of course, sir.
Lawrence? This isn't funny, Lawrence!
What are you waiting for? This ship could explode any second.
I have everything up to the rift inducer.
I can't leave without it. I'll meet you back at the shuttle.
Oh, okay. Bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum. Game too hard. Game too hard.
Come on, Quark. Hurry up.
We must leave now.
Neverwinter.
Not without Quark. He would have waited for us. I think.
Good for him.
Wait!
Wow, that was crazy. That evil AI they put in Clank is ridiculous, dude. Just Dance? Just Dance is pretty good. Glenn, what's up? I think I said what's up to you before, but nothing wrong with saying it again. Combine 10 and you get the stream. Wow, Dashio. I just read that joke. Kinda hurt my feelings. Shut your filthy donkey mouth. He gives no fucks. Yeah, he's like an evil AI. I forgot like exactly what they did, but we're gonna find out, obviously. Ooh.
Well, we are all very glad that you made it back safely.
Damn.
Did you detect any other craft leaving the Star Cruiser? An escape pod? Another shuttle, maybe? Anything?
We got the smooches, though.
Ratchet. We heard the whole thing over the comlink. You had no choice. Captain Quark died a hero.
Shit. This guy grim, dude.
Und wir would frolic in the fitness course unter the wee hours of the morning.
Captain Quark had so many, wonderful qualities, I just don't know where to begin.
Such as?
Oh, okay, he was really tall, and he had a unique fashion sense, and he had a really big chin with kind of a sort of a, well, you know, a butt shape. Well, you know, I think I've droned on long enough.
I just heard what happened. I wanted to offer my condolences to the team. Quark's loss is a true tragedy. The man was a hero, brave, honest, kind, and humble to the core.
What a load of bullshit.
Captain Quark may be gone, but his indomitable spirit of heroism lives
I remember
on
that
each of
still
you.
from when I was a kid.
I know the Q-Force will make our fallen captain proud. Carry on, men.
This came in the mail for Quark. It's Chapter 4 of the Quarkvid comic series. He'd want you to have it.
Thanks, Al. You know, this could give us a clue about what Nefarious is going to do next.
That is a load of bullshit. Damn, dude, they're reckless, man. I told you this game is funny as hell, dude. Clank that dude. Ooh, we got another armor set, guys. Another armor set. Told you, shit gets expensive. Are we all greened out now? I'm telling you, you look real sexy at the end of this game. I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna expect it. It's gonna like just drop on you. You're gonna be like, damn, that looks sexy. I'm like, yeah, I know. All right, so we gotta go play some video games. Good thing we're already doing that, huh? Already ahead of the curve. But first, oh, I don't want this. Oh yeah, trophies. I don't care about that. I think I got all the trophies in this game though. When I did play, like when I was younger, I definitely get like every single trophy. Let me see. There's one more thing I have to do, right? Here. Oh, everything's good. Okay, cool. Making sure. So they got scared. They put him in the thing. All right. It's game section. Let's do it. And I saw what you said, Oglim. That's awesome. I'm happy that you're just able to relax and sit back. I'm happy. I love this game, and it's good to show you guys. TAC, what's going on? Just $6? Yeah. Alright, let's do it. You should still do a throwback Sunday where you play retro games. I don't have a lot of retro games, and that's like really expensive to like constantly be buying games. That's why I only play like I bought this and I was thinking about getting like GameFly for like the other games.
Episode 4.
But
Deja Q all over again.
If I have to like,
after defeating
if I can't play it or something like that, it kind of sucks. I don't know. I'll look into it.
Returned to his condo in Metropolis for some well-earned R&R.
Oh, Lance, it's time you knew the truth. The baby isn't yours.
What? Who is the father?
Oh, your evil twin brother, Engelbert.
But Janice, I am Engelbert.
Wow, that's mad
must
deep.
Be that pizza I ordered.
Guten Tag, Captain Flabby.
Helga, what are you doing here?
Getting you off your lazy butt. You have plumped up like a giant green bratwurst. It is time for the fitness course.
Oh, all right.
Meanwhile,
yeah, I don't like
on
Jack
a
and
rooftop
Daxter.
high above the bustling
Yeah, probably
streets of
emulator.
Metropolis.
The hour of my vengeance is at hand. Go now, my robotic servants. Tear this city apart. Bring me the head of Captain Quark.
I never liked Cy Cooper either. I was always about like Metal Gear. Oh god. Alright, we gotta get everything one try though. Wait, did it automatically put me on the other side? Yeah, thank you. I don't want them like to automatically skip me over certain things. That'd be scary. I would have missed that. Okay. No! Yeah, I still got it. You suck so much, Court. Alright, we're good. Original Cheese Monkey with that lovely host as well. Oh my god. Okay. And he's another member of the Tide Pool as well. Thank you so much for that host. What the fuck? No. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. Thank you so much for that host. He's another member of the, I think, the Tide Pool. I'm in 2 stream groups, so I'm trying to balance between knowing which ones. We Are Legend and the Tide Pool. Definitely, guys, you definitely check out both of them. See, you know, I gotta make a command for both of them actually, like just a regular standardized command, so you guys can see both of the people. We Are Legend is led by Guy Game, is his stream group, and then Tide Pool is led by Riptide Pow. So those are the 2 differences between those 2. So definitely check it out. Check out Original Cheese Monkey, original _ like Chez, like CHEEZ. Hopefully he actually comes in. I always figure it's easier when you see the person in chat. You can like talk to them and get to know them. But hopefully he stops in so you guys can actually see him and talk to him. Oh god. I always feel like that's 10 times better. But thank you so much for that host, man.
A ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
Look at that. Double checking, trying not to miss anything good. Then I for the story. What game are you guys talking about? I actually like Metroid games. I don't remember if I beat Metroid though. go. Gotta get those. Oh, I got a rocket launcher?
Jackpot!
Sweet. What in the actual? Oh god. Okay, that was rude. Alright, we got 50 more to get. Gotta make sure we're not missing anything. Wait, I see this. I saw it. How the hell? How the hell am I supposed to get that? There we go. Okay, so it's just me messing up. Alright, cool. Alright, good. We're really close. Really close. Damn it. Grip with magic. There we go. All right. Anything over here? What? There is. There is. You trying to catch me sleeping? I don't sleep though. I don't sleep. I don't sleep, Shed. Pretty sure I can get that. Gotta jump really late. There we go. Flag. Alright, 10 more. Get out my face.
It is I, Dr. Nefarious.
Good. Seems different about you. Wait, don't tell me. You've changed your hair.
Ow! Guy's cheating.
Finish you myself.
Give me the juice. Wait, that was the end of it? Oh no, Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's like Wolverine. All that noise. Uh-oh, my completionist. Must get 100. Get 100. Fuck. I thought I had more time. What up, Federico? I was hoping that I was going to get another 10 there, but no.
Quark! Get you for this.
Sorry, what's that, Stumpy?
This isn't over, Quark. I swear, I will return someday to destroy you and bring Metropolis to its knees!
Uh-huh. Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead.
And so Quark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But... seems the script is missing a few pages.
Thanks, Professor. I'll take it from here. And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever told. The true story of Captain Quark's triumph over the nefarious supervillain known as, well, Dr. Nefarious.
You're right.
Aren't you gonna unlock Quark's secret costumes? Here, I'll use the cheat codes. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. He's in a tutu.
Metropolis. That's where Nefarious is gonna strike first.
Are you sure?
It makes perfect sense. Nefarious tried to destroy Metropolis years ago, but Quark stopped him. Nefarious swore he'd come back and finish the job someday. Now that he has a secret weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Oh.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope.
How did Nefarious become a robot? He